Today we're learning how to use Tailwind CSS to make our web page snap. And by snap I mean the way you scroll less than normal and the web page snaps to the next part, as you can see. See the normal scrolling behavior. This is not what we want. To demonstrate, I made the page with 3 separate sections. A division tag as the parent element with 3 division tags as child elements in it. Each of these 3 division tags are set to be full screen height. As we scroll, we want to snap to next section. Add these Tailwind classes to the parent element, which is a division tag in this example. It doesn't have to be a division tag, just an element that contains other tags. Here we call it snap container. Overflow Y scroll, to tell the parent element to be scrollable vertically for the content that is too large for its container. Scroll smooth to tell the browser to scroll smoothly. Snap Y to make sure the snap container is going to do the snapping vertically. Snap mandatory to make sure the snap container snaps. As you see, it is not finished yet. We must specify where we want is to snap to. Here, since we just made our snap container, it is ready to do snapping, but we have not specified where to. As you see here, this is our snap container. There is a button element here too. It's the dark mode button. It has nothing to do with the page structure, so I hide it. The remain is the 3 child elements that are the points of the web page I want the snapping to function. So add Tailwind CSS style as snap start to specify the point we want the snapping to happen. I added a snap start to the 3 sections of the web page. And as you can see, there is a typo. But let's see what happens anyway. It worked, but it skipped the section. I mistyped the class name. Let's type it correctly. Add the missing dash and see if everything is working fine. Yes, it works fine. Hope it was helpful.